without having to change the whole chart every day. Welcome to EURUSD. I'm going to review some of the setups we had March 5th evening as well as Thursday morning and Thursday afternoon. As usual, levels are always made from 4 to 6 p.m. the night before, so that would put us somewhere in this range right here. When I initially made the levels, we started right around here. I had a little back test right around 5 o'clock. This was actionable if you had no trade, but I was waiting for more of a dip, wasn't ready for that. Above here, I had the UBC. I wanted to see price action push through, come back down, and push through again. Call that acceptance. You go along right here on 815, 2 or 3 points above, let's say 793. 799. The first level up was about 6 points up. You could have taken profit if you wanted to. If not, you can wait a little bit more, one level up again. So that's 7-8 points right there. Price made it to the next level up, so you had a really good trade here. You could sell a quarter of your position that was left partial here and leave a small runner for the rest. That would have been taken out. I was watching this overnight. We got a back test of that UBC level that was also valid long. First time coming back after breaking out from this area. That went from 798 up to 807 for 8 points and then sold. I was watching the charts a little late. I don't like taking late trades, but I saw a failed breakdown and I really liked the way it's set up. It went through, dipped below this level, which I had right there, DNR, dip and recovery. It held it for more than 15 minutes. So I was like, let me see if it can get a little pop after. We got the pop, sold back a little bit. I went long right around this minor level, around 790. It made it up to this major level around 1130, 796. I sold about 797, got 7 points. Kept on watching in bed. We got up to the next major level up, sold the 15% of the 30% I had left and left a runner. That runner probably got up all the way here at some point overnight, but got taken out. My stop loss was below this low right here, so I got taken out at 4:30 in the morning. So when I woke up at 6 o'clock, I had no position. I was just watching. I noticed right away when we woke up, this was still a big battleground. We fought through, sold back down, kept on going back down. I was watching price here precisely, looking for momentum to get back through with the stop loss below here. I figured that this was some consolidation overnight and that we wanted more. That's exactly what we got. I entered a little late, I think up here by this minor level, held through to this major level, got about 11 points, kept a runner, sold most of my position up here, had 15% left. I sold half of that 15% up here and kept 7.5. That 7.5 stayed with me for a while until we got down here and lost this DNR level, at which point I had a fresh slate. Was looking for a long at some point again. I was hoping maybe we'd get a dip and recovery as well as a failed breakdown combination up here. That did not work out, but what did happen was we sold right directly into this level. This is a really important level. I had two lines there. It was a zone. Price had clearly been battling here since yesterday morning, trying to go above, sold through, went above, sold back down, finally taking off, and this being the final low before the ramp up from Wednesday afternoon into overnight highs. So I knew if price came back down here and gave me a strong momentum candle upwards, it could be a potential buy or a potential long. It's exactly what happened. I wanted to go long around this trigger. I caught it a little late, but I held on to get to the next level. I caught almost 8 points, sold a little bit more at this level. I assumed that we might sell down a little bit because this is where we broke down from, but price kept on going. I'm still in a runner. I haven't sold it. It's much lower than it was earlier, and price is now bouncing around this DNR level. I wouldn't go long right now. I'm already through 2 good trades this day, but we'll see what setups occur for that evening. I'm going to get the levels out in the next hour or two, and hopefully some good setups I'll share as well. Today's been a good trading day. Could have traded this dip in recovery last night. Could have traded a breakout of this level. Could have traded the back test of this level that started the rally yesterday afternoon into today at 10 a.m. Back with more levels soon. And as I'm speaking, this DNR level is accepting and trying to take off. Let's see if we can hold this minor level for a few minutes before we go long.